Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we make your money make sense. Today we're going to take a look at a video where a elderly woman fell prey to the pig butchering scam. Guys, I know you're probably asking, what exactly is it? Well, this scam is not new, but it's definitely a scam whereby they fatten up the victims, very much like fattening a pig before slaughter. And ultimately, they slaughter them by way of taking their money. Take a look at this video and see exactly what transpired during the scam. And then let's talk about it in the comments below. Let's get right into it.
A West suburban woman is talking to the I-Team about how she sent almost $1 million to a scammer. And she's not alone. The FBI estimates the scam known as pig butchering cost Americans nearly $4 billion last year alone. Almost $1 million gone.
I know. And then I had to tell my kids because they had no idea I had that kind of money.
All that money was socked away in investments, and now Erica Damask is in financial ruin. In fact, she was forced to sell her Lombard home and everything in it.
This is my garage sale. It's really hard because a lot of the stuff, there's glasses here that belong to my husband and I have to sell them.
Her husband passed away decades ago, and recently Damask met a man online.
Okay, guys, just think about this. Nearly $1 million that this woman sent to someone she met online. Not only did she send her money, but now she's having to sell her home and all those millions she has over the span of her life. This is unbelievable, guys. And it could be you and I or our parents or loved ones. So take heed, guys, and make sure you're paying attention because they're going to continue to outline exactly how this thing unfolds. And it's quite genius and definitely something that I want to stay away from. What are your thoughts about it? Let's get back to it.
He said he loved me.
But the FBI says that tactic is just part of the fattening up or pig butchering.
Fraudsters are going to fatten up the victims by enticing the victims to put more money into an investment. And then they're going to slaughter them by walking away and stealing their money.
He's working on an oil rig and something broke down. Can I send him $20,000? And I said, whoa. I said, you know what? I need to pray about this. The second time I sent $35,000.
Okay, guys, as you can see, this is the actual fattening process of the scam. He's telling her what he needs. He's sounding vulnerable. He's preying on her, and he's just taking her money and he's fattening up the pot and walking away with it. So, guys, take a look at this. This is really serious and very unfortunate.
Over time, that money sent reached nearly $1 million. Damask says the scammer told her she would get double her money back in his investments. Instead, she now owes money back to her bank, cash which she took from her home equity loan. Plus, she must pay taxes on her investment withdrawals.
She was sending $100,000, $300,000, $50,000 at a time, and it was never brought up and stopped and checked.
Guys, she sent hundreds, 300,000, 50,000, and no one knew exactly why she was sending it. And no one at the bank said anything. There were no red flags or anything. We have to be our own auditing system nowadays because obviously the banks or no one else is going to do it for us. Let's get back to it.
She and her son say the money was sent via cashier's checks or wire transfers through Fifth Third Bank. They say when they filed reports with the FBI and the Secret Service, agents told them that bankers should have spotted unusual pattern.
Closing this whole account. They never questioned, why are you closing this whole account?
But in this letter to Damask, Fifth Third said it asks a series of questions that the customer must answer before a wire transfer is sent, and that her answers provided did not raise concern for potential fraud. Fifth Third told the I-Team that the bank meets applicable red flags provisions of the Fair and Accurate Credit Transactions Act.
Unfortunately, the trend is growing.
The international crime police organization Interpol says the scammers are using human trafficking victims like this woman to carry out their crimes.
If you don't take part in it, you get very bad.
The FBI says if you wire money or crypto, there's little chance you will get it back, but if you report it to the FBI quickly, there is some hope.
Our recovery asset team has had tremendous success in the last several years and recovered hundreds of millions of dollars for victims of fraud.
Guys, although they are able to recoup some of the money, it doesn't say that they will get all of your money. So the best advice is not to give anyone who you're unfamiliar with any money, and making sure that you're not talking to people that are online, which could be preying upon you, and you're totally in the dark regarding why they're engaging you or what their true plans are with you. Let's get back to it.
Authorities were unable to recover Damask's losses, but she says what hurts more is letting go of her home, furniture, and other longtime memories like this chalkboard built into the garage.
And this is my grandson. He's the only one that ever wrote on there. I have a hard time because
Think about the memories.
yeah, a lot of things are going to be gone, and it's really hard.
Very sad. One tip to help stop this: financial institutions may allow your loved ones to add trusted contacts to their accounts so bank reps can call you if your family members are making suspicious transactions.
Okay, guys, you've seen the video and you've seen exactly what the pig butchering scam is all about. What are your thoughts about this? Do you think that the banks should be doing more to ensure that their customers are protected from this type of thing? I personally think that it's a shared responsibility to the bank as well as the consumer, but definitely both should be more vigilant in regards to the monies that are being sent in and out of accounts. One of the things that you can do to ensure that you are protecting your interests or that of your family and friends is make sure that you're not trusting strangers very easily, especially online, and make sure that you're being very cautious of unsolicited messages. If you're getting messages, the best thing you can do is use that feature on your phone that says scam lightly if it's a call, and don't answer it, as well as if it is a foreign message, don't answer it. If they're asking for personal account information, don't provide it. And if they're asking you to transfer money of any sort, don't do it. Those are great things to do just to protect yourself, as well as being more vigilant and not sending money to no one that you don't know. I hope that this video has been very helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.